She's on her pony now.
Come on, Tippy. Let's go.
Go, Tippy, go.
Come on. Go. Yeah. She's trying to squeeze the ear. Come on, Tim.
Go, Tippy, go. She's trying to put her feet on the back thing back there instead of the stirrups. Tippy!
She's playing with his tail.
Hi!
You playing with your horse's tail?
She loves making him talk.
What's she doing back there, Tim? What's she doing? Squeeze it. Squeeze its ear. There you go. Yes! She's sideways.
She goes side to side.